Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack, and in our November issue, you can read all about YouBar, the co-manufacturer who is leading the way in protein baked goods. Today, I'm joined by YouBar founder and CEO Anthony Flynn, who will tell us more about how the company serves its customers well. Thanks for joining me today, Anthony.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
So to start off, I'd love if you could tell our audience more about YouBar, how the company got started, and what it's all about today.
Yes, absolutely. We started the company back in 2006. I was making my own protein bars. I have a lot of food allergies, so I'd make them for personal consumption. And over the years, I had more and more friends and family members reaching out, seeing if I could make bars for them. So I'd make them custom protein bars. And I started finding that more and more people were looking for me to make protein bars for them. So I made it into a business. And since then, we've been now making bars for some of the leading brands out there, from small startups to huge CPG companies and everybody in between.
And how has UBar differentiated itself over the years as a co-manufacturer? Because you guys have expanded beyond bars at this point.
Yes, we really focus on what we consider three things that really make us unique. The first one is all about the innovation. We have an incredible innovation house, internally, a great team of food scientists, nutritionists, chefs who formulate all day. So what we're always looking for is working with our clients to create the most innovative product. This could be new diet trends, new ingredients, new formats, anything that really allows the customer to have a product that really stands out on the shelves. The second thing that really makes us unique is we offer very low minimum order quantities. And the idea behind that was to make it where we had our clients constantly launching new products, get things out there, get feedback, and when they become a success, we can really blow it up from there. And then the last thing that makes us unique is we're a full turnkey process. So we do everything from formulation, ingredient sourcing, package design, QA compliance, and of course the manufacturing. So we really help our clients from start to finish be a success in the marketplace.
So what can brands expect when working with UBar?
When we get to work with a brand, the first thing we do is we do a product development brief. We want to understand what our clients are looking for. So, what is the idea that they have? We go through what are the must-haves in this product, what are the flavors, we'll give suggestions, and we then collaboratively make this product. And we keep on doing iterations with them. So they're receiving samples or coming into the facility for an in-person tasting, and constantly working to make that product just absolutely perfect. So then once they're ready to go, we launch it into the market and it becomes a massive success.
Well, thank you so much, Anthony, for joining me today and sharing more about the story of UBar.